Hey, Brian from Garage Mall. Today I have these ToughBuilt C700 Sawhorses. It's a double pack, so you get two in a box. The box is a little on the heavy side, so be aware of that when you get them. But inside you get your Sawhorses, and something that you got to know like right away is obviously you have this is open first, open second. These two buttons make the legs come down, and then you're going to close first and close second. So basically they're arranged, if you can look underneath, the legs are folded in underneath one another. So it makes it a little bit easier to pack away and to get them to fall down. And you push that button and the legs basically kind of like practically drop into place. So there's a little bit more that you have to do to them. So let's drop down to the second pair. And I like to kind of just get my hands in there a little bit. And then you can open up that side. Push that down, and then you come over on this side, open that, lock that leg into place, and then the cool thing is you have these levers on the side, and they will basically raise up your legs for you. They can slide down, and then it locks into place as soon as you get to a lower level. It folds down, and then you do the other side, and then you can do this side. Locks down nice and easy, and it has those rubberized self-leveling feet, so that's a great thing. So let's get that off on the side. Let's open the second one, and again same thing. So you're going to be opening this side first, and when they're broken in they open up a lot quicker and easier for you, so just keep that in mind. Open these legs up, lock them into place. Then we'll just put this down. Then we'll lock those legs in. So now you have a nice stable platform to work from. And one of the other reasons why I got these is, like on this side you have a lever, and then this opens up, and you can basically put in a different variety of different size like woods on this side. So if you have like a special project you're working on, or you can put it like to like the 2x4 length, and you can turn it into a like the Jobsite table that I was speaking about before. So that locks in. Then we got on this side, just move that out. I think I got this one right here. There we go. And I have it all the way down. And then this side we open it up. You just want to move this back. And then you take a standard 2x4 and you can make this into an 8-foot long table if you wanted to. And then you basically lock the 2x4 into place, and you have a making of a work side job site table. So if you had another 2x4 running along this side, you basically, just give you an idea, so each horse is about 35.5 inches with the 2x4, makes it go out to about 40 inches. So if you put a piece of plywood on this 4x8, you have 48 inches, so you're going to have a little bit of an overhang, but you'll have an 8-foot job site work table if you needed to. Piece of 1/2-inch plywood on top of this, or even 3/4, and I mean you could like stand on these things. It's crazy. You can even get like a third horse, put it in the middle, and of your 8-foot table, and really have a very strong place to work from. And then, it comes apart easy and you're on your way. But this thing's great. It also has like these little wood hangers on the side. And of course, I put them backwards. But you can put wood here on this side and like rest. So that gives you some additional space. And it has these lower pegs as well on the inside that you can put like additional wood. You can even have it so like as kind of like a footrest if you're working on one. But so many different variety configurations you can do. And then, when your job is done, you can take your 2x4 out, put that off onto the side, and then these all fold in nice and compact. Then all your pegs go up. Then you got one on that side. And remember how I said that you have to watch your pegs? So this is going to be closed first. So we're going to make sure that we fold this up. So just pull up on the legs like that. And then put them down. And then basically you're just pushing them up and away. Fold your feet in. And I always forget to do this part, but you slide your legs back up. Nice and compact and out of the way. Fold your feet in. And that side goes up. You tilt this down. Like I said, you fold the legs down and in on you. Nice and easy. And fold your feet in. And then basically you're portable and ready to go. Anyway, hope this helps your decision-making process on what kind of sawhorses you get. And they're metal as well, which is great because you could even put like different pieces of metal on here and use it as a welding table if you had to. Anyway, Brian from Garlic Hall. Thanks for watching and be safe out there. Oh, another question: how sturdy are they? Would you do this with your plastic sawhorse? Anyway, love these things.